Hello, everybody. Welcome to yet another episode of We Hustle. Dare to compete in association with Marxist. Recently started a series called We Hustle, where we discuss B school competitions every week. In this episode of We Hustle, we are in conversation with Harshit Sharma again to discuss about the International Business Summit conducted by IIM Bangalore Vista. Let's see what Harshit has to tell us about Vista 2020. Hi, Harshit. Thank you so much for being with us today. How have you been since our last conversation?
Yeah, thank you, Alina. So to start with, the idea of BSL series seems to be getting really well with the B school students. A lot of people reached out to me. A lot of people reached out to the post that was there. A lot of people commented and saw the video, and they really liked the idea. So going forward, we'll be talking about a lot more different inter B school competitions. One of which we are going to talk about today, which is at par with the Red Brick Summit, which we had talked about. But this time we'll cover a different B school.
Absolutely, Harshit. I'm sure this is going to reach out to a lot many people out there and it's going to help them know more about these school competitions. Now, Harshit, without further ado, let's talk about IIM Bangalore's International Summit. That is Vista. What is
Yeah.
it all about?
So Vista is the flagship event, is the flagship international business summit that is organized by Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. Last year, the competition had close to 20,000 registrations spanning more than 20 plus events, and it was a big success. The impact was also seen when it was awarded as the second most popular B School festival in the list of D2C's most competitive B School competitions. So today we are going to talk about this whole 2 day summit that's going to happen real soon, and we're going to focus two of the main flagship competitions that are there.
Absolutely, Harshit. Yes, we're definitely going to talk about the two important and the most relevant competitions that are out there that are conducted in Vista. Now, before we move any further, I would like you to give us a ballpark figure of when and how Vista 2020 is going to be launched. I'm sure a lot of students are looking up to this festival.
Yeah. So first of all, just to give you a teaser to it, that the official website of Vista has already been launched. It is live. If you'll just scroll through D2C a bit, you'll find that the website is live now. Talking about its official launch, the team is planning to launch it real soon. The dates that have been confirmed by us are 31st of October and 1st of November 2020. So it's going to be a 2 day long event. Not only that, this year there will be more than 20 plus events on the lines of what it was last year. The events that I'm talking about are not just case study competitions. They are going to be workshops. They are going to be industry leader sessions, and there is going to be article writing competitions and a lot more in store for you. So Vista this year is going to be a bit different. To By different, I mean it's going to be an online event, but I'm pretty sure that the team there is planning to make it bigger than the last year.
I'm sure, I'm very sure about that, Harshit. And I believe that this is going to be a lot more bigger and better this year. So, let us give us a brief picture of what more does Vista hold for the upcoming B schoolers of today. We know that it is one of the most reputed B school competitions.
Yeah.
What is going to be different this year?
The first of thing is the impact. Because of the online scenario, the reach is going to be bigger than it was last year. There were on-campus finals on the IIM Bangalore for the final round, which is the round three of most of the flagship competitions. But this year, a lot of people might not be able to go, but don't worry, the competitions are going to be held in a completely online mode. The cash prices are still going to be the same, and I'm going to talk about it later. And they are not just in 5,000 or 10,000 rupees. So it's not just about having the tag of I am Bangalore with you, but also having the chance to walk away with a lot of cash prize. When I talked about the variety of competitions, there are a couple of 4 to 5 flagship competitions that are held every year, and they don't change with another edition. So, two of which I'll be covering today.
Very interesting that sounds, Harshit. And I know for a fact that many young B-schoolers would be looking up to
Yeah,
the launch of Vista 2020.
yeah,
Now let's talk about the two important competitions that you mentioned, that is the Trojan Horse and the Impact Investor. What are these two competitions about? And let us first begin with the Trojan Horse. What is
yeah,
the entire structure of the competition and what all should a person look up to when participating in the Trojan Horse?
yeah. First of all, the name is really exciting, Trojan Horse. It sounds really fascinating, and but one should be excited to see what happens in it. But just to give you a perspective, that the competition is particularly related to consulting and strategy domain. First of all, where you'll be given a case study. It is a completely case study based competition, where you'll be given a case study in the round one itself. There will be no quizzes. So in the round one, you'll be given a case study and you'll be assigned a particular industry. So what you're going to do in the first round itself, instead of having to participate in a quiz, you'll be solving a business problem of a business player, and then you'll be submitting your solutions in form of a 7 slider PPT. Last year, 8 to 10 teams would have then qualified for the final round, and it was about so the 7 slider PPT was now about converting it to 10 slider and just showcase your solution, your strategy, which also contains the likes of every domain. By every domain, I mean you'll also be solving a challenge related to an HR field or a marketing field or a technology field. And when you'll be qualifying for the finals, you'll get to showcase your solution in front of that industry leader whose problem you will be solving, not just the faculties itself. So yeah, the competition is really exciting. Last year, more than 1,700 registrations were there for this event. And talking about the cash prizes, this year the prizes are going to be worth rupees 1 lakh rupees, which will be divided amongst the winning teams on the runners-up team. The bifurcation will be there on the D2C platform. Yeah, so this year, completely online event. You don't have to go anywhere. Just do your best, consult and strategize, and you have a chance to walk away with a lot of cash prize.
That sounds like a very grand competition if we talk
Yeah,
about these school
yeah,
competitions for that matter. Excellent, Harshit. Let's now talk about the second competition in this series, that is the Impact Investor. And this is essentially going to be a finance competition.
yeah,
What is this
yeah.
all about?
So the impact investor is like a dream competition for anyone who is a finance enthusiast, number one, and second, who really likes investment banking. So this competition will test you real good. Now, when I talk about testing you real good, is that you'll be giving a sustainable, unique investment strategy, which will be there. You'll be assigned different institutions who are looking for different ways to raise the funds. In the round one itself, you'll be given you'll have to submit a two-page uh, a two-slider PPT, the format of which will be shared on the D2C platform. And in that two-slider, you'll have to showcase how you're going to strategize and form an investment strategy for the real class assets that will be there, given by the team of Vista and the institutional investors which are looking for investing. So what you're going to essentially going to do, if you qualify for the final, you'll be actually be presenting your case to a particular investor, showcasing how you strategized, the further details upon explaining your whole idea in form of a lengthy PPT uh, or further slides will be communicated to you later. And yeah, so the, if I have to talk about investment plus finance, then this is definitely one of India's largest competition that's there. Last year, close to 1,500 registrations were again there, and it covered more than 50 B schools. The registrations covered more than 50 plus B schools, and a lot of finance enthusiasts participated in it. Since it's one of the another flagship competition that is there, the cash prize is again going to be around worth rupees 1 lakh, and you might be the team size and other details will be shared to you later.
As you just said, Harshit, it does sound like a dream competition for finance enthusiasts.
Yeah, yeah,
And I believe there are a lot many participants Vista is going to see for this particular competition again.
yeah,
Now, Harshit, one more point arises Now, why would you say that Vista stands amongst the top B school competitions conducted every year? What makes it different and unique?
The first of all is the competition. When you talk about the competition of a consulting or a finance competition, you do get to do a lot. And now it's not just about creating an idea, it's also about analytical thinking, it's also about strategizing something of a really concrete value. When I talk about Vista, the level, as I already told you, the competition tag, the level of competition that will be there, and the peer-to-peer networking that you'll get to have with the having been associated with the brand is something that you should really look forward to. Also, I forgot to mention one thing, that that they are that the Vista is going to be live on D2C somewhere around in the mid of September, which will be communicated to you very shortly. So my suggestion would be, just start looking out for teams. Just start finding out, if you're a finance enthusiast, just look out for another finance enthusiast who is really into investment banking. Or if you are someone who has a work ethics, or who is very interested in strategizing and consulting, just go and find your teammate, because this competition is going to be grander than ever.
Absolutely, it does sound like that, and I hope that students do go and find their teams very early so that they have a better chance to win the competition.
Yeah.
Now, drawing this competition to a close, Harshit, what advice would you like to give to the students who are looking at participating at the Trojan Horse and the Impact Investor? Also, I would like you to share your 2 cents on what all a B schooler can learn from participating, from his or her participation in Vista 2020.
Yeah. Uh, so first of all, since most of these schools have already started, and almost all of the B schools are right now in an online mode. So when you talk about having to have the environment and the level of competition, you feel more when you are in an offline environment. When you are in your MBA campus, you feel the competition more. But here, being an online mode, in a right now, you have this freedom, and you have this blessing in disguise, that you're not actually feeling the people around you. Okay, this is someone who is really good at me, and how do I compare myself with? So this is the right time, when you participate in a big competitions like these, which are held at a national level. You do not have the pressure. You cannot feel the pressure right now, that what's the level of acumen my batchmates are having or someone else is having. It's all about finding the right team, framing the right solutions, and just submitting it. Also, because your solution will be judged by the top faculties and the industry leaders themselves. The feedback that you'll be getting, uh, the the suggestions that you'll be getting, will further enhance your level of thinking and your level of framing a solution. So this is an added on bonus to it. Last but not the least, and Bangalore's Vista is not just about these two case competitions. There's a lot in store for you. As and when the competition goes live, just register for this competition, because there's a lot of learnings in store for you. Yeah.
Absolutely. The way you speak of it, I'm sure a lot many students would be enthusiastic about participating in a lot many competitions in Vista 2020. Thank you so much, Harshit, for sharing your valuable insights about Vista 2020. To everybody who is watching, I hope you enjoyed this video. We will be back with another such video on B School competitions with Harshit Sharma again. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay home, and take care.